Hello everyone and welcome back to Lexicon 101. I am teacher Tiana and I will be telling you about conditional sentences today. So you might be asking, what is conditional sentences? So that's a difficult word, it's a complicated word, but all I want you to think about when you hear conditional, what if? What if it starts raining while we're up in the mountain? What if we go and run this morning? Something different. What if the dog starts barking and we wake everyone up? See? What if? Okay. So we have 4 different conditionals in English. So I'm here to teach you these 4 different ones. Okay. They are not too difficult. Once you know them, they're easy. Okay. So understanding them can improve your accuracy and your fluency very, very easily. So once you have them, you're good to go. Okay. So there's 2 main parts of conditional sentences. They have the clause, the if clause, which states the condition, and then the main clause, which states the result. Okay. Then we have the first one, which is the zero conditional. Okay. This zero conditional is your truth. Whatever fact is true. It can be scientific, it can be a personal fact. Anything that is true is a zero conditional. Okay, so for example, if I go to bed late tonight, I'm going to be tired in the morning. It's a fact. If I boil water at 100 degrees Celsius, it will boil. It's true. It boils. That is a fact. There is nothing you can change about it, okay? So we have a little formula that goes with it, okay? So how to structure these sentences? We have if plus present simple plus then for your second situation plus present simple again. So remember, your whole sentence needs to have the same tense. But we add if and then, because remember, we have 2 situations. If we do this, then this will happen. Okay. You still with me? Then we have our first conditional. In our first conditional, these are the things that are real and possible in the present or in the future. Okay, so things that are actually possible. Don't go crazy about things. They have to be physically possible. Okay, so it describes something that's likely to happen if this condition is met. Okay, so the formula is if, again, plus present simple plus then plus future simple. So we have 2 tenses in this one, okay? And normally with the future simple, we use will, okay? So for example, if it rains tomorrow, we won't go to the beach. If I study hard for this exam, I will pass. If you train for your race correctly, you will win the race. You see? 2 tenses, and they make something that is possible. Okay? So remember that. Then we have our second conditional. Okay? So this one's a little bit more interesting. This is our hypotheticals. Okay? So there's a 50-50 chance of this happening. Okay? Sometimes very unlikely, okay? And also again in the present or in the future, okay? So it is about what if something wasn't true or if something wasn't likely to happen, okay? So again, formula number 3, if plus past simple plus then plus would and plus your base verb. Okay. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a beach house. So you see, if and if. But what are the chances you win the lottery? It's quite slim. But if it happens, I will be buying a beach house. Okay. Then your last conditional, your third conditional. This is talking about things that did not happen in the past and they have hypothetical results. So your formula for today is if plus past perfect plus then plus would have plus past participle. Okay. If I had studied harder, I would have gotten my distinction. If I have trained just a little bit harder, I would have finished that, crossed the finish line quicker. So you see, if I did that just a little bit better, I would have gotten a better result. Okay. So those are your three conditionals. Oh, 4 types of conditionals, sorry. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Okay? Not too difficult. I know you've got them. If you need a little bit of a recap, rewatch this video. And remember, if you want more tips and tricks like this, join our classes. I can't wait to see you in my class. I would love to meet you and I would love to teach you more of these things. Okay, so subscribe, join our face-to-face classes, and we will see you soon. Bye.